Hello everybody, my name is Elliot and I'm from hahagarden.com. Today we're going to talk about shallots. Shallots are really easy to grow and a fun gardening activity for your kids. Now, you can buy half a kg worth of shallots for 5 to 8 ringgit. But what happens if you can't finish them in time and they start growing like this, Now obviously you can't eat this, but what you can do is multiply them. So what you can do is take a bottle, cut it like so that you have the neck here and the actual bottle part here. You just flip it over, place it here, and then you take the leaf part, which is this part. Bottom here is where the roots will grow. So you take this, pretend that I filled this up with water, and then you just place it in like so. So the water is down here, and it will grow roots from here. So let me show you here. Right. So here's one which has been growing. So we basically did the same thing like I just showed you, and there's roots. So these roots are very soft. So if you're going to put them in soil, you need you want a very loose soil because it'll grow faster because these roots are very soft. The reason why this is a fun activity to play with your kids is because you can see the leaves growing and the roots growing daily. Now, from when you see your first leaf, you can actually cut the leaves and use it as garnish for your soup, which is really cool. Now, a lot of people call shallots spring onion, but spring onion is a separate thing. Spring onions come from immature onions. So the difference is for the shallots, the color is red or golden brown, and for spring onion, it is white. And for taste, spring onion is like sharp, pungent. It's a sharp, pungent taste, while for shallots, it is a mild but sweet flavor. Alright, time to tell you all about health benefits. So let me pull up my phone. Okay, so shallots are full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and a lot of health benefits like growing healthy hair, enhancing brain function, improving blood circulation, contributes to nervous stability, lower blood pressure, helps prevent diabetes, helps with weight loss, helps maintain bone density, promotes healthy skin, and effectively assists the body defense system. Okay, so make sure you're not planting shallots during rainy season. It is rainy season here for us. So what we're going to do is use a recycled bottle, right? So if you're going to use a recycled bottle as well, you need to poke holes at the bottom obviously and cut the top off using like something like scissors. So once you've filled it up with 20 to 30% compost, because shallots prefer compost over fertilizer. So fill in 20 to 30% compost, and the rest should be loose soil, right? So what you do is you can just put your shallots in like that. Make sure the roots is down and the leaf is up. So here is the leaf, and below here will be the roots. So make sure put it down. Okay. Now do not cover your shallots. You can just leave them up like that. Okay, I'm gonna make it a triangle. Okay, so make sure it is 5. If you're doing it in a garden pen, make sure it's at least 5 inches apart from each other, because the shallots the roots don't grow very far, so it's fine. And make sure you not bury it, but like push it down like halfway at least. Right, so that. Okay, so I need to dig it more. So you basically almost bury it, but like not quite. Just put it down there. So you want the leaf part to be exposed. Actually, I kind of want more to be exposed. Yes, that's better. Then this one more down, and then cover it up. Not too much. Yeah, okay. That should be enough. Right. So now I'm just going to water it. So you just water it. Yeah, okay, I should probably stand up. It's easier. Okay. Okay, that should be enough. There. Okay, so some countries you will grow it from seeds instead of bulbs, and you need you can grow if you do it this way, you can get 5 to 10 bulbs. The shallot needs 4 to 6 hours of sunlight and you need to, if you see any weeds, then you need to take them out immediately. You need to remove the flowers. The flowers will be beautiful, but you need to remove them because it will take up all of the energy, and it will and then your shallot will produce less or no buds. Not buds, sorry, bulbs. I mean, but when you take out the flower, you can't eat it because it is very sweet. Now, right? Imagine these two are in the soil. Now, if it's in the soil and it's healthy, it should be standing straight. However, if most of the leaves are bending down and you can see several shallots on the surface of the soil, that means you can harvest it. So make sure you don't let the leaves turn brown, because then it will decompose and be very hard to pull out. So when you do pull it out, make sure you tie it and hang it in a dry place. Make sure to not wet it again, and you should be able to keep it for months. Anyways, I think it's all I need to tell you for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and yeah, that's all. Goodbye.